Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So I wanted to show you guys one of our new units that is going to be a part of our collection of glueless units. You guys know that we have Goldie, which is the bang unit, but I know a lot of you don't like bangs. So we now have Corella. Corella has no bangs. So I'm going to show you guys what she looks like. Ready? Okay. So when you get your Corella unit, she is a 10-inch bob. We're doing bobs. It's summer, okay? When winter comes, then we go into the longer hair. But we do have bob life going on. So she's super easy to manage. You know why? Because she's already customized. She already comes with an adjustable strap on the inside. It also has the adjustable wig tabs. It has the combs on the back and on the side. And then it also has a comb that sits right up by the crown area if need be. She is a middle part unit. So she has already been bleached, right? The lace is already transparent. You can actually add makeup to it if you want, just to kind of make your part even more transparent. But do you see that? And the only thing that you'd have to do on this unit is trim your lace, because they have about 1 centimeter of lace here, just in case you have a longer forehead or a longer hairline. So I'm going to put her on without trimming the lace, and then I'll take her back off and I will see if I really want to trim the lace or not. Okay. So I washed my hair this morning, and then I just combed it back and tied it down with my Elite Hair Care scarf. Okay. So that's how my hair is looking. We also send you wig caps so that you are able to utilize these to protect your hair. Now remember, this is a middle part, so because the top of my head is red, I will actually have to use the wig cap. So I'm gonna put her on, and then we'll come back and put my wig on. Okay, so my cap is on. As you guys can tell, this is not my skin tone, okay? So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how to easily make this your skin tone. You're gonna take a compact of your powder that matches your skin. All right, so the only thing that I do in the back of my wig is I make these little brown tabs as close to the comb as possible. I have a large head, you guys, so remember, this is going to be to your head size, okay? All right, so easily put this on. You can adjust it to make it tighter if I'm just saying. No, but I want you guys to get into the fact that this blend, even though I look like the guy from Star Wars, this lace blends with my skin. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this baby back. Pull it back enough to match your forehead, people. Okay? And look at that. Guys. Let me show you guys again. Look at that. Now, if you want it to just be blendage as much, you can put a little bit of powder there. But this is a glueless unit, so you don't really need a lot. Okay? All right, so one thing that I recommend is make sure that you secure your combs. Okay, I don't really secure the one in the top, but you can. Okay, so that's your choice. You have more than enough combs to secure your unit. The one in the top is more just gonna make sure that it doesn't slide back, but I'm not a fan of it. Okay, so I know you guys are like, well, is that how we wear it? Absolutely not. So I'm gonna show you guys some easy customization techniques. Really, really simple. It doesn't take a lot. I actually like this unit because I like my units to go over my forehead and not expose my forehead like that. But if you like your forehead exposed, by all means, you do what's best for you and your head. I'm doing what's best for me and my head. But as you guys can tell, she's definitely bobbing. Okay, but we're gonna fix this bob really, really quickly. So first things first, I'm gonna take some of our frizz control, okay? And I'm just gonna put some right at the part area because we're gonna make this baby nice and flat. Okay, so this part is real simple. You can do this. This is optional. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. But I like my units to look human-like. Okay, if you guys notice, this is more of a textured yaki hair. So it has a more human hair feel than your traditional silky ugly bops. Okay, so I have my plug-in hot comb here, nothing fancy. And all I'm gonna do is just literally lay the hot comb down and just press down my part area, because traditionally your part would not be bumpy. Okay, just like that. Now for the part on my face, I like to lift my unit and do this part because I'd be in it if I'm gonna burn my face off. That's a no. Okay. And some of us, our hands are not steady, so I like to lift my unit just so that I can lay that baby down. It doesn't take much, and then I'll just go through. Okay. So you guys see that she's already coming together, but I want you guys to look how she blends with my skin. That is awesome. All right. So now that I've laid down the bump, super simple, nothing extra, doesn't take a lot. I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to flat iron her. And I'm using my cheapy non-elite flat iron because that's what I have here. Let me find a clip. Here we go. Okay. And then I have my flat iron plugged in, and all I'm gonna do, and this is all you have to do, you guys. You can do this on the head or off the head. Is take your flat iron and just flatten her out a little bit, and then give it a little bump. Okay, that's it. There's nothing fancy to this. You guys know how I've taught you guys to flat iron. You want to make sure you maintain tension until you get to the end and let the hair fall out. And that's it. Nothing extra. This doesn't require any form of customization, you guys. As you guys can tell, I didn't even cut the lace. You know why? Because I don't have to. Okay. All right. So then I'm going to go ahead and do my front area here. Remember, we already put some frizz control on this, so it doesn't take much. Ooh, that baby nice. Put my stuff down. Ooh, that baby is nice. She is nice. You guys see her? Oh. Okay, so then let's do this side real quick. That comb that I was using was pulling. Hence the reason you should be using definitely your Elite Hair Care combs, because that rat tail comb right there was pulling my wig. Guys, as you can tell, this is not pro required. And you are already a pro, so this is simple for you. I think the most complicated part was you putting it on your head, because that requires you to actually take some effort and make sure that you put it on the head. That's really it. So really, there was no complication here. All right. I'm sweating because I'm just hot, you guys. But look at that. Part straight, unit on. Now I'm going to pull her back just a little bit. Y'all see that? And then one thing that I like to do is I like to take a little spritz, spray the top. The reason for that is I want it to remain smooth and it lasts all day that way. And she's on. And we're off. This side needs a little bumpy bump. Okay. And that's it, you guys. Like, look. Okay, let me wipe my skin because your girl is always sweating. Yeah? And then, and then we're going to take a little bit of gloss. Well, first and foremost, okay, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and brush out these cuties. My lashy extensions. I love them, by the way. And the good thing with this too is if you don't want it to be like a super blunt in your face, you can layer it in your face. But it is a blunt cut bob on purpose. And looking at it, I feel like I need to pull it over. There we go. All right. And then we're going to take some of our lip gloss here. Pack her up. No, I won't swear it. Your first wear, you got to kind of let it morph to you. Because I like mine to kind of go right here. But it's the first wear. So you have to let it settle and get used to the fact that it's no longer sitting in a box. And you also want to make sure that it just kind of just morphs in with the skin. But we know that that lace though. Oh, that lace. And you can pull it behind your ear, which I have a big head, so I can do her like that or like this or like that. Like that. You know what I mean? Like that. Let's push it behind like that. If I really want. But I don't. I like her down. She's pretty. There we go. And she's cute. And we're off. Vogue. All right, you guys. So this cutie, Corella, is going to be a route on the website. She is going to be a part of our birthday sale. Yeah. So I hope you guys are ready because the birthday sale starts in less than 2 weeks. June 22nd. But we actually start our birthday sale from Juneteenth, which is June 19th. So you guys get ready because June 19th, it's free shipping. And also all digital downloads are $3.80, which we have 3 new ones. 3 new video guides coming out. Yeah. I'm feeling super share. I'm feeling super walk like an Egyptian. Okay, neither here nor there. But yes, you guys, so this baby will be available on the website for you guys. And then, of course, it will be available during our birthday sale. You guys know that all of our units are seasonal. Why? Because units are not made to be worn for 12 years. So I need you guys to stop it. Okay, get yourself a new wig, revive yourself. It's all about self-care right now, which is what I'm about to go and do right now for myself. I'm about to go and self-care myself. And then I'm just going to enjoy my day. So, you know, with self-care, you have to really like care for yourself. Hence the word self-care. So comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this beauty, Corella. Corella, not Cruella. Corella, okay? You guys go and comment at the fact that all of our glueless units don't require any form of customization. Literally, I'm able to put her on and just go. And then if you really, really want to like put her on so that you can expose your front, like all you'd have to do is put a little bit got to be or something right here and she's laying. But that's the crazy part to it. Look at that. Could you tell this is a unit? Nope. 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 But you got a 5x5 closure to play with. Okay. Uh-oh. I just kind of jacked her up just now. There she go. She's back. All right, you guys, I gotta go. Go check out Corella. Also, go and check out our Goldie units. It is on our website, elitehaircareusa.com. And don't forget the sales are coming up. Father's Day, Juneteenth, birthday, Paris, Milan, Japan. We're doing it all this year. Popping out this year, okay? Okay, love you guys. Bye.